Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Today we're gonna discuss code forces round 870's problem statement A, which is trust nobody. In this question we have n peoples, they either lie or they say true, and they will be saying that how many people at least there are present in the group which are saying lie. So we have to find that how many peoples in that group are exactly lying. So this is a question of brute force. Let me explain you with one example. See, in the first example we have two person. First one is saying that there are at least one person who are lying, and in the second and then the second person is saying that there are at least two person who are lying. So if we consider the second person, then according to that the second person who is lying, who is saying he is already lying, so it is contradictory because he is saying truth, but if we consider him, then he will be considered as liar, so this will be contradictory. So we will consider the first person as person who is saying truth and second person as liar, then this condition will be satisfied, and according to that total one liar will be there in the group. So according to that we will see all the test cases. So how will we solve this question? So to solve this question, it's very simple. We just have to iterate from 0 to n. Means we will consider that there is no 0% lying, and then there is one person lying, then two, and similarly we will do. And in all the cases we will see if the if we are considering that case, then it is satisfying our condition or not. Let's see the code. So let's see. So here we took input in the array, and then we are iterating from j is equal to 0 to j is equal to n, j is equal to n, so that we will be counting that how many person are lying. So this j is, if j it's 0, then it means that there are 0% who are lying. If it's 1, then it means that there are 1% who is lying. And according to that, for each iteration we will iterate on each 0 to n person, means we will iterate on each person, and we will see, like if we consider j is equal to 0, then according to us there are 0 people who are lying. And if there is any person who is saying that there are more people than what we have considered are lying, then he will be considered as liar, and that we will be counting in count. So we will start our count from 0, and we will be adding up all those person who are saying that we and they there are more person who are lying than our j. So we will be counting, and at last, if persons who are liar are equal to the whatever we have considered, then it means then condition is satisfied, and then we will simply store that value in our integer variable answer, and we will break, and then we will print the answer. But if this condition do not satisfies, mean we do not find any condition where this condition satisfies, then our answer which was initiated from -1, it will be get printed, and that will be our answer. Let's run. So as you can see, it's working properly and test cases are passed. Thank you for watching.